is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and we are at the T&C in Shelburne, New Hampshire, clearing out the grease line from the access port side, back of the front of the building to the tank, which is probably 30 feet. Side heading back towards the building.
That's right before the baffle right
Yep.
here? Looking right at the baffle.
There's no sags in the pipe, so that's good.
Sides must be kind of hard to distinguish though.
No, you go underwater and come back out through.
Oh, true, yeah, that's true. The water will settle in the sag, yeah.
With a snake, you can't feel the sag or the jet. You just go right through it. The only way to tell is to send the camera through.
Sidewall there. That my imagination.
Nope, it's just a connection.
It's the same.
Yep.
Oh, that's what I was worried about. That pipe was collapsing.
No, the pipe is in good shape.
We had to dig about back to here to be able to change out the baffle.
Shut it off, I'll go back. The whole thing over again. There we go. That's the cleaning inspection of the T&C grease line.